Yeah, thank you very much for the kind words, Eve. I'm very much looking forward to an interactive session. So if you have any questions, just there's an option for you to ask questions, as you know, with the queue. Just pop in there. There'll be a few, I think, polls that we're going to do as well. Digital identities are a key component of any data set. Digital identities are very important also in the context of other non-centralized systems that are being set up. And the whole question arises, who should actually own the data? And as you probably heard recently, the UK is now in the process of redefining GDPR, the data privacy regulation side, which is potentially dangerous, but might also have some advantages because it could be made a little bit more flexible in the sense that you could, for example, allow solutions that are not able to forget information to maintain themselves and to actually continue to exist, which are otherwise non-permitted. As a first brainstorming session, I would really like you to go and have a think about what democratization means to you personally. I'd also like you to think about what you would be willing to sacrifice and whether you'd be willing to sacrifice short-term profits for a more sustainable and democratic system. Because obviously, if you're striving for a better system, you might have to forego some of the immediate opportunities that you'd otherwise have.
And the logic of it. Make sure, because that would allow to cover some biased elements, because the really big problem and I guess fear element of algorithms is if it's created by a very specific type of people, they're gonna create them exactly how they think.
Frank, first of all, thank you for setting up this entire environment together with the team at Evenness, right? I think this is working tremendously well, and